Today's I am is I am a free person living in a world that is a reflection of my own love and understanding. I am a free person living in a world that is a reflection of my own love and understanding. Please use this affirmation to know that the world you are living in is of the reflection of your own love and understanding. You can create your own world. Now the eyeshadow start. I am using Ace Beauty Flare palette. If I say it too fast, flare will become something completely different. So we're not going there. And I am going to use this palette is so pretty. If you come across this palette on sale or on the website, get it because it has all the colors you can use all year long and especially this time of year. It is just so pretty. I am going to start with the color Mulberry. I have glasses on, so I can see. And then the second shade I am going to use will be Bearberry. So one matte, one shimmer so far. Let's see what I can create, right? So Mulberry is the first shade. It is a matte. It's like a pinkish something. I'm using a big brush because I plan to put it all over my eyes. And it is very pretty. You don't hear about Ace Beauty much anymore. I don't even know if they're still around in business or not. But if you want to check out the palette, check Ace Beauty's website. It is just a pretty. They had some beautiful palettes. I have a couple of them, maybe more than a couple. Who knows at this point? But it's always nice to see a pretty palette. I love pretty palettes. Today's I am is reflecting on us, our life, the one we choose to live on this side of the earth. And since we create our own world, our own future, our own path with the help of God, blessings to the universe, we can create it to keep us happy. There is so much going on at any given time, not even outside of our immediate family, but in our immediate family there is so much sometimes going on. There is a struggle. There's always going to be a struggle. Somebody's sick, somebody is not mentally well, somebody is depressed, somebody have anxiety, somebody just lost a loved one. There is so much going on that we have to reach deep into us and create a world with love and understanding. We have to learn to understand the other person. We might not like what they're doing, but we have to learn to understand them. I'm going to use some glitter glue that I just put on the back of my hand. It's the NYX glitter glue. I love it. I love it. I love it. It always works for me. But we have to be free in this world with our love and understanding. We might not always understand what our kids are doing. We might not always like what our children are doing, but we have to learn to understand them with love. And the same goes for you. Sometimes you're doing stuff and you don't even know where it's going. But you just have to understand and trust the process. There is always something bigger than us in this world. Always. It's like a nice little blue shade. I'm going to take this and just tap it in. Tap it on the glue. Everywhere I put glue, I'm going to tap that shade Bayberry. Life is short. We keep thinking it's long, but it's not. It's short. And we have people in our own family who don't get along with us. I'm doing this way because I have wrinkles and I wanted to work well with my wrinkles. So I'm just pulling this way to smooth everything. And there is nothing we can do about that. They're not talking to us. They don't care about us. They don't want to have anything to do with us. You still move on. And don't forget, you still got to pray for them. They're still family. Even though you are not interacting with them, you still want to pray for them. Don't wish them anything but good. Always pray for good things for them. Look like the fan is drying my glitter glue. I put it on both eyes at the same time. Always pray for them. Always, always, always. I'm gonna have to put more glitter glue here. It looked like. Yep. So when you're doing your glitter glue, most of the time I do one eye at a time. So that's just a perfect example to show you that it does happen to anybody. So do one eye at a time, or if you're working somewhere where there is no fun, like mine, then you can do both eyes together, but the fun they dried out. And then the same thing I did over there, like just mesh it so the wrinkle has, that's what I'm doing right here. If you notice, this one is lighter and this one is darker. I went over this one with my finger, so now I'm going to do the same thing here. If you look, you'll think it's two different colors, but it's the same color, just the intensity of how I put it and how my finger make it so intense. So if you want it light, you go with a brush. If you want it dark, you go light, you go with your fingers. But you can make it light with your fingers, you just have to use less. But I want intensity with this color. This color is beautiful. Same brush, but I'm going into a darker color. So the dark brown that's in there, I am going to take it and start in the outer corner and work a little into the crease right here. This side doesn't have any yet. There is an orange shimmer in there. I'm going to take with my finger and put it right here in the outer corner. I am back with today's look. I use the Flare palette and I use 4 colors out of there. I started with 2 but ventured out to 2 more. And I use my Cheeky Rose Beauty for lip color. I use a variety of lip colors in there to create the right one to go with the eyes today. Today I'm matchy matchy, so I want it to be matchy matchy. Who am I? Who is this person want to be matchy matchy? That don't happen often. Now, to this I am is I am free and at peace. I am free and at peace until I see you and you see me. Please find a little quiet space within you and make peace with that. Please find a little quiet place within you and make peace with that. I appreciate you dearly. Thank you for watching my video, the full length of it, because that helps me so much on YouTube. I appreciate you. And if no one today told you that they love you or you are loved, I want to take that opportunity and this chance right now to say, girl, guy, boy, woman, man, you are loved. You watching right now, you are loved. You have a value. I will see you shortly in the next video. This simple eye look you can create it. Go ahead with your bad self and create something fun and fabulous. Bye.